Hey, what's up guys, PK here. Alright, so I'll make an announcement about next Saturday. It's gonna be our surf fishing get together. It's not gonna be at Bob Straub, it's gonna be at Newport. Alright, I'll put a map up after the announcement. It's gonna be at Nye Beach. It's gonna be Saturday, April 1st. So cross our fingers that Mother Nature is gonna cooperate this time, okay? Be sure to check my website, everlist.com, and especially the day of, the night of, in case I cancel it again due to weather. And of course, check my channel as well. So here's hoping for the best, and hopefully the weather permits. Saturday, April 1st, Nye Beach in Newport. I hope to see you guys there.